Okay, this is 11.3, and eventually we're going to use this for 11.4 as well. Work together. Starting on page 319 in your textbook and 261 in your workbook. It tells me we have some working papers from 11.1 that we are going to post from. So let me grab those. I actually put them on the floor thinking I was done with them. Silly me. There we go. We are supposed to start a new page for a general ledger account for supplies. So they have left one blank in the middle here on the page 261 that we are going to open up for them. And we are going to write in supplies. And if you look at the numbering system, we have 1,110, 1,130. The next number that they want us to use, oh, they actually call it supplies office. I'm sorry, I'm not paying attention. Office. And they want us to use the number 1,145. There must be some other counts in between some of these that we're not seeing. It says the balance on October 1st, so write in October 1st, 2012. The balance would be 3,000, and of course supplies is a debit balance. I'm going to cross off the credit side. So 3,824. 0 cents. 3,824. It's a balance, so I'm just going to put check mark in the post reference column, and that's step 1. Step 2, we are going to post the October 19th general debit entry for cash payments journal to the appropriate general ledger account. So, cash payments, here it is. On October 19th, it says supplies office, general debit, $69.60. So I go to supplies office on the 19th. This is from cash payments journal 15. I am going to debit $69.60. I suppose I could do my running total this time as I go. 3,824 as a debit. They're both the same, so I add. Oh shoot, I hit the wrong number. 324 plus 69.60 cents. So $3,893.60. Count number 1,145 goes back in the post reference column. That's step 2. Step 3, we're supposed to post October 12th out of the general journal to the appropriate general ledger account. So we have sales returns and allowance. Okay, for $52. So I go back. I guess I gotta go one page back. Yeah. Sales return allowance. Let's see if you can see where that's at. It's the bottom one there. Okay. 12th of October, so I just have to put 12 in. This is from General Journal, page 11. A debit of 52. And it normally has a debit balance already because it's a contra account to sales. Sales has a credit balance, so sales discount and sales return allowance are contra accounts, meaning the opposite, so they'll have debit balances. So when I add those two together, I have $955 balance. $41.30 goes back into the General Journal post-reference column. $41.30. There's still another one here, sales tax payable, debit $310. So sales tax payable is at the top of this page. So on the 12th, General Journal, page 11, debit $3.12, and it's the opposite. We have a credit balance, and this is a debit entry, so it's the opposite, so I'll end up subtracting. So 1,410 minus 312 is $1,406.88. Account number 2140 goes back in the general journal post-reference column. Still another one for that entry is accounts receivable here in the account title column, because we're just posting what's in the account title column here. It has a credit of $55.12. So let's find accounts receivable. That should be on the first page of the general ledgers. And it's on the 12th. And it's general journal page 11. It is a credit of $55.12. And since these are the opposite, one's a debit, one's credit, we subtract. So I take $1,309.85 minus $55.12. And I get $1,284.73. Account number 1130. And that goes in the other half of the post-reference column, because that's one of those that we split. I'm assuming we're ready for the 26th. So this, yeah, we finished step 3, now we're ready for step 4. 26th, we have in the general journal supplies office, debit 2544. So we're going to go find supplies office. And it was on the 26th. General journal page 11. Debit $2,544. I probably should move that up just a little bit more. Sorry. Figuring out the total, those are 2 debits, so I'll add $3,893.60 plus $2,544, $6,437.60. Account number 1145 goes back on the post-reference column on the general journal, 1145. Next one has accounts payable, or next line. Accounts payable needs to be posted yet. It's a credit 2544. So I'm going to push this down a little further. This is on the 26th still. This is general journal page 11. It's a credit of $2,544. And since those are both the same, both credits, I will take the $2,517.80 and add $2,544, $5,061.80. $5,061.80. Count number 2110 will go back in the other half of the post-reference column slot. On the 28th is our next instruction. It has accounts payable that needs to be posted, a debit of $125. So on that same ledger, I'm going to go to the 28th, general journal page 11. This time it's a debit of $125. So I'll take that $5,061.80 minus $125, and I get $4,936.80. Account number 2110 will go back in the post-reference column for that transaction. And one more listed here. It says purchases, returns, and allowance on the 28th. So then we got to go to the second page of ledgers here. Or maybe the third page of ledgers. Purchases, returns, and allowance. Looks like I need to move it up. There we go. This is on the 28th. This is general journal page 11. It's a credit of $125. They're both credits. It's my credit balance and my credit entry. $1,901.35 plus $125 is $2,026.35. Count number 5130 goes back in the post-reference column. And that completes step 5. And it says save the general ledger accounts to complete work together 11.4. So I'm going to stop this and start 11.4.